I'm Chris Perry, and my channel is Perry Unlikely. So what do you need to make a YouTube video, and not just make one, but make a good one? Stay tuned, and we'll tell you. So, I'm going to focus on the physical things such as equipment, whether it's camera, lighting, computer, all of that sort of stuff.
And I'm gonna focus on the intangibles, the things like the confidence, the things like the personality one needs, the things like patience, time, and passion and ideas to get a great video started.
Let's get it. So, what is it that you need? The smartphone and the YouTube app. Well, that's it, I'm out. So, in all seriousness, let's go through a couple things. The truth is, you could use a smartphone and have the app, but obviously to make quality content, you need to go several levels deeper. You don't have to start out that way. The key is to start out with what you have. Don't go spending a ton of money and then turn around and not be committed to it. Commitment has to be there. So, for example, I use a Canon Rebel SL2 camera. You can use your smartphone. I happen to have the camera already for a business that I had, so it worked out perfectly. So that's what I use. So obviously you gotta consider a camera. There's a ton of different types of cameras to use, so you should obviously research. Everybody has their own variation, and it depends on what type of videos you want to do.
Hey guys, I told you I was gonna be working on the intangibles. So I'm gonna be talking about things such as confidence. You know, the confidence one needs to get in front of the camera to make these videos to begin with. And how does one acquire that? Whether that be training, whether that be talking to oneself in the mirror, whether that be through failing and doing it time and time again.
Also consider the lighting. I know the ring light is one that's held in high regard. I do not use the ring light. I actually have two lights that I use that are quite strong, and I've got options to having two of them. I like that, but you know, there's a range of things you can use.
So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna be looking on things such as strategies and planning. How many angles am I gonna have? Am I gonna use this type of B-roll? Am I gonna be in this type of setting? So we're gonna be looking at the confidence, the strategies.
Also, consider the audio. Some people like to use lapel mics. That's what I'm using today. Some people like to use shotgun mics. Some people like to use Rode mics that you can put over top of the camera. There's all kinds, but that's very important. You have to have good quality. Some people, obviously with a smartphone, don't use any external microphone, but it's gonna tell in the quality and the content.
The passion. Why? It's not what I'm doing, it's why I'm doing it. I have a passion for, you know, teaching people, interacting with people, helping people. So we're finding out what is your passion for doing the video. What is my reason for making this video? What is my idea? What am I gonna do a video about today?
And last but not least, editing software. There is a range of products you can use.
That other things we're gonna consider is courage. And this is a huge one. You know, why am I comfortable in front of this camera?
You can get them to go on your smartphone, and then you can obviously with your computer get them, and those are gonna be more high-end obviously. So consider the free ones. There's iMovie, and there's several more. Obviously, if you're a Mac user, the iMovie is going to already come pre-installed. But if not, there's also Adobe, and there's another range of different products you can use that you definitely should consider. But to get a better quality video, you do need to do some editing.
Why am I comfortable putting my brand out there? How do I acquire courage? Sometimes you have to be like Nike and just do it. And there's other techniques and strategies that work for me personally. We can dive deeper in the comments if you guys so choose to. Also, I know a lot of you guys may be experienced. Whatever is working for you, post it in here so that the YouTube community can also learn from each other. And then one of the main ingredients, I think, is patience. Patience with myself. How do I become better at doing a particular thing within the video scheme, within my, my craft? Patience with myself, patience with my likes, patience with my subscribers, patience with something that I'm working to improve on within the video.
So, we hope you enjoyed the content. The main purpose was to just try to help anybody we could. If we can help one person, just one, then that is good enough for us. And as well, like alluded to earlier, those professionals, those pros, put out what you got into the atmosphere for other people to use and to improve upon what they're working on.
Absolutely, Chris. It was super fun doing it again with, the collab game is super strong. Guys, just do it like Nike. Hopefully all of these tips helped you guys. And everyone can leave with at least one thing that they can add to their videography game, to their YouTube game. Guys, now it's time for you guys to go and crush it. You guys to start applying what you do and just getting better one inch at a time. So,
till next time, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.
Also, wait, liking? Yeah, Chris, liking and subscribing, that's mandatory. If you're watching this, if you got anything out of it that you liked, whether it be our haircuts, whether it be our tonality, whether it be any, inch of knowledge that helped you guys.
One smidge. Anything.
Like it, subscribe.
Make it happen.
Make it happen, Captain.
Thank you. Squaw!
Squaw! Oh, wow.
Also, consider the audio. For audio, I use the AUVUXCON.
And it was perfect.